A good day for driving outside. We are dry again, and certainly a big weekend here in Indianapolis. We've got Symphony on the Prairie tonight. We've got an Indians game. Of course, all the activity happening out at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. It is race weekend. We've got thousands of people in town, Nicole. They're hoping for dry weather, I guess, through the weekend.
The pressure is on,
yeah.
And if you have Friday night plans, this could be one of the best Friday nights in a long time, considering that the weather is going to remain dry. We're warm right now in the 80s, many spots in the 80s. We're going to continue to warm up as we go into the afternoon. But if you're heading to Symphony on the Prairie tonight, tonight's forecast is probably one of the best yet, besides what we had over the 4th of July weekend. I want to get you updated on what's happening outside right now, because if you haven't looked out a window recently, you are missing out. Check out the beautiful conditions in downtown Indianapolis, where temperatures are currently right at 80 degrees. Winds out of the south-southeast 8 miles per hour. Dew point is right at 60, so that's going to continue to go up as we head through the weekend. It means it's going to be turning a little more sticky. Still seeing beautiful blue skies in Sharpsville, Indiana. I love this view, especially since we, of course, have a lot of green grass. Obviously, we've had a lot of rain this month that's helped out with that. For Indianapolis, today is the 4th day in a row with no rain. National Weather Service tweeted out these factoids that this is the longest stretch of no rain since June 2nd to 7th, and that was actually a 6-day period. Keep in mind, for July 2015, we have had almost a foot of rain. Remember, it's the second wettest July on record. 76 in Zionsville right now, 85 in Carmel, 80 in Greenfield, 82 in Greenwood, and 80 degrees in Nineveh on the SkyTrak WeatherBug network. We're seeing 79 in Marion, 81 in Muncie, 84 in Greensburg, and still the upper 70s from Crawfordsville to Greencastle. Yesterday at this time, a lot of dew points were in the 50s. You can see that they've gone up into the 60s. This is just going to show us that we have more moisture moving in. And as we head into the weekend, it's going to become pretty uncomfortable across central Indiana when it comes to that humidity. The muggy meter over the next couple of days is really going to go up, and rain chances increase as early as tomorrow afternoon. But if you have evening plans tonight, you should be just fine. We are looking dry. Starting this afternoon, 85 degrees will be your high. And then if you have plans this evening, maybe Symphony on the Prairie, or going to catch the Indians in action as they host Louisville, temperatures are nice. 7 o'clock, 83 degrees. By 8 o'clock, 81. And then we'll fall into the 70s by 9 o'clock this evening. Overnight, fall into the 60s, mostly clear, a mild night. Overall, it's going to be a pretty good start to the day tomorrow as we warm up. 66 early, by noon 78. And then as we go towards 4 o'clock during the heat of the day, 87 degrees for your Saturday. Winds out of the southwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. So we're going to see some storms start to pop up tomorrow afternoon. I think tomorrow morning is mainly dry. We will see some cloud cover increase. But then as we get around 3, 4 o'clock late in the afternoon, chance for some stronger thunderstorms, very heavy rain, as well as lightning and possibly some isolated areas of damaging wind. So we're going to watch that for you. We then clear out as we head into Sunday morning. And then Sunday, for the most part, we will remain dry, but I have to put an isolated chance of a shower or storm late in the afternoon. We're going to warm up to 87. It is going to be muggy at the Speedway. But notice on Future Track 13 that we have some cloud cover in the morning, and then late in the afternoon is when we start to see that slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Right now, it's mostly staying to the south, but if that moves up to the north a little bit, that's why I included that chance in there for Indianapolis and specifically for the Brickyard. I want to get you updated on that 7-day forecast, because you'll notice Monday the 90s are back, and scattered showers and storms will remain with us as we head through portions of next week. Not a washout, Scott. Just going to have to watch the radar and plan those outdoor activities accordingly.